Here's what you should know about number 3. And you probably already know this if you've looked back at lesson 32. You know that point P is the centroid. You also know that this distance is 2/3 of the entire distance. So let me ask you something simple. Suppose this length is 9 units. So how far is it from A? What is the distance of AP? The distance of AP is 6 if this entire distance AX is 9, which also makes the distance PX equal to 3. So what we're really saying is that this length right here, AP, is twice as long as PX. But we don't even want to know anything about AP or PX. We want to know about ZP. The reason that I started with all of this information is that you have to find X before you can find anything else. And this was the only segment that had enough information to let you solve for X. Do you understand that 4X plus 3 is equal to 22? 4X plus 3 equals 22 because AP is twice as long as PX. Now you can solve for X. You get 4X equals 19. And so X is equal to 19/4. Not a very convenient value, but we can work with it. Now, that's enough information to begin solving for this distance right here, PB. We know that PB is equal to 13x minus 3. So PB is equal to 13 times, substituting 19/4 minus 3. If you do all the math on that, you should end up with 58.75. You can double check me on that. I think that's right. And now, if you know that distance, we know that PB is twice as long as ZP. Just like a little bit ago, AP was twice as long as PX. Which means that if PB is equal to this, 58.75, we can safely say that ZP is equal to 1/2 of 58.75, which is equal to 29.375. A terminating decimal, which means we can leave it as a decimal.